Hello people, it's Yazdan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as Gaza Saviors. So let's get started. So first interface looks like this. Some kids are here. They may be refugee, I guess. Gaza Savior, a token that is solving problems. Gaza Savior is project focused on helping the Palestinians crisis. They are here to build a community and show their support to refugees caught in Gaza hostilities. Okay, so they say families in Gaza need our help. Following weeks of increasing tension and violence in Palestine and in Israel, the Israeli military launched new attack on Gaza on Monday, May 10. In the first 5 days of bombing, at least 119 Palestinians were killed, including 31 children. Over 800 Palestinians have been injured by bombing and thousands have been displaced. The conflict is growing as we speak, and they need our help more than ever. Okay, about the organization is abbreviated like UNRWA, the United Nations Relief and Work Agency for Palestine Refugees in the Near East. Is a UN agency that supports the relief and human development of Palestinian refugees. Their donation help ensure the Palestinians receive essential services including education, health, emergency cash, and food assistance and protection. Nice, they're doing a good work here. So they have posted a video on YouTube like what is happening in Palestine, something about Gaza refugees. So let's have a look at their tokenomics. They have 1 quadrillion GZS, in which 50% would be initially burned, 45% will go to liquidity, 3% to charity, and 2% to marketing. So 10% transaction fees, 5% is distributed to the holders, 5% is added to the liquidity. They reward holder with 5% transaction tax, which put GZS token directly into your wallet every time someone buys or sell them. Reason to buy Gaza Savior is like solving a real problem. Gaza refugees need us more than ever right now. Let's support them as we are able to. Yeah, sure. Completely secured and anti-rug. Token with renounced ownership and locked liquidity on DX sale, max buy or sell order 1T tokens. So it's completely rock proof because ownership had been renounced, 50% goes to burn address, and 45% are in liquidity. So just imagine. The rewarding holders, tokenomic designed to keep building the price floor and reflect transaction taxes back to the holders. Okay, so they have a roadmap. As you people would know, that roadmap shows that what this project have done and what are they going to do next. So in phase 1 they would do the launching. They did launching, renouncing ownership and locked liquidity, reaching 100 holders, reaching 50 market cap, influencer marketing, CoinHunt, and Blockfolio promotion. So they are listed on CoinHunt too. I have found it from there. As for phase 2, there will be 1000 holders, submit audit, CoinGecko application, community contest, BSC scan application, and first donations. In phase 3, 2500 holders, coin market cap listing, giveaway, PooCoin promotion, second donation. In phase 4, there would be 10,000 holders, third big donation, TikTok and YouTube marketing, Blockfolio exchange, and Whitebit exchange. So here are some frequently asked questions mentioned here, and yeah. So why would you buy GZS? Being a GZS holder is not like any other token. Gaza Savior is created to help refugees. Their community is growing more every single day. All the support is increasing and more donations are being made. Okay, nice. The Gaza Savior is completely secure, audited, smart contract, no big developer holdings, and their liquidity is locked at the DX sale. People who are holding GZS are getting rewarded in every transaction. 5% will be sent back to their holders. They have added anti-whale system to their token. You can only buy or sell 1 trillion token each time you make a transaction. They did this on purpose, so there will be no big whale selling all their coins at once. So let me show you how to buy it on PancakeSwap. Once you come to this interface, just select I understand, connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Math Wallet, any wallet you have. Once you did that, select the major cryptocurrency, select the ticker of Gaza Savior here like GZS, enter the amounts and swap it for yourself. It's super easy. You can make a transaction of only 1 trillion at a time. Okay, so let's have a look at the BSC scan report, which is the product of Etherscan, that shows that almost 4,000 transfer have been made on 832 addresses. As you can see, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 7 minutes, people are taking a lot of interest in it, and changing tokens are changing hands. Let's have a look at the hodlers. So the number one holds 50% of the tokens. So this is the dead address, which is a black hole. So coins are permanently burned here, which will increase the price floor of the remaining tokens in the circulating. This 5% are locked in liquidity. As I don't see any big whales in the community. So if this person with 2 or 3% sold his coin, it won't affect the market by that way that the market would just fall. Okay, so let's talk about their social media. As you people would know, the social media shows that how transparent a project is and what is it going to do next. They have 9 members on their Discord, where 3 are online, maybe they are admins, so you can get in contact with their admins here. They also have a Twitter, which is named as Gaza Saviors. They have 425 followers, 8 tweets. On Telegram, they have a family of almost 2,000 members. You can just write Gaza Saviors in the search bar and you can join them if you want to know more about them or stay updated with their project or what is their life price and charts or even etc. So they have a small community as for their social media, because it's just the start of their project. Okay, so I have just found a chart of Gaza Saviors on PooCoin. As you can see, it started here like on 18th May, which was 3 days ago. And you can see the pump here, like here it goes to its all-time high, 0 point a lot of 0.8513. Then it have a dip period. After that it pumped again, then it goes all the way to here, like 10 increased. Then it have pump and it's going to dip again, and it would pump again because people will invest here. So it's already in dip period, a lot of coins still remaining in the market. So people would invest in here and the graph would rise again. 50% are sent to the burn address, so if you hold the token, there are a lot of benefit in it. That was their PooCoin. As you can see the transfer reports here, a lot of them are bot transactions. The market cap raise is $58,000. So that was up for their chart and social media, etc. If you are interested in Gaza Savior, I will leave the website link of it in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself, do some research if you want to invest in it and help the people of Gaza. You can join their community and invest in this project. I shown you how to buy it on PancakeSwap. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you some more hidden gems from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.